Hey everyone, welcome back to Innovative Check. Today we have a fascinating topic that's been trending in the global market. A whopping $160 billion loss for India. How did this happen? And what does it mean for the international trade community? Hello and welcome back to Innovative Check YouTube channel, where we delve into the innovative and transformative projects changing our world. Please subscribe, like, and comment to boost our videos. Now, let's begin. When you hear about iron ore, do you immediately think of Australia and Brazil? They're indeed major providers. But have you ever considered India's role as an iron ore contributor to China? Surprisingly, it's a fact that often goes unnoticed. In 2021, China bought a substantial 33 million tons of iron ore from India, valued at 18 trillion rupees. But why has China now decided to cease imports from India, causing a direct financial loss of $160 billion for India? Would you like to know what's changed between India and China? If you're keen to delve into real projects and fascinating topics, why not subscribe to explore more? To understand the issue, we must first ask what makes India unique in the iron ore sector. Did you know that India is fifth in the world for iron ore reserves, boasting up to 5.5 billion tons? The quality of its iron ore has been widely recognized, but why then has China significantly cut imports from June 2021 to July 2022 to just 12 million tons? Could it be related to political tensions between the two nations? In May 2022, India's finance ministry raised export tariffs on Indian iron ore, leading to a chain reaction between the countries. The tariffs were to increase by as much as 50. How did China respond to this? China acted swiftly, reducing imports of Indian iron ore and turning to other countries. But why did China decide to explore new sources of iron ore, such as the Samandu iron mine in Guinea? India was left in shock, facing a massive iron ore surplus and a market loss of $160 billion. How has this affected India's economy? Already impacted by the pandemic? By September 2022, China had imported only 12 million tons of Indian iron ore, 21 million tons less than in 2021. How has this drastic reduction translated into real economic terms for India? India's response was to announce a reduction in export tariffs in November 2022, aiming to stimulate exports and attract more buyers. Will this move be successful in changing the situation? And what about the strained relationship with China? Will it ever be the same? Considering China's vast market size and economic significance, why did India make this decision? The loss of China as a buyer has resulted in a backlog of iron ore and massive financial losses for India. Could other countries step in to absorb India's supply? Unfortunately, it seems not. This story paints a vivid picture of the complexity and consequences of international trade relationships and policy decisions. What lessons can we draw from this? How might it shape future interactions between India and China? As we ponder these questions, we are reminded of the intricate web of economic and political dynamics that shape our world. Could such a situation arise again, and what steps might countries take to avoid such a loss? Let's continue to explore these interesting projects together. What do you think? How will this reshape India's future trade with China? Leave your thoughts and questions below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay connected, stay curious, and join us on this journey through innovation. Until next time, innovative checkers, keep exploring.